Hello students, welcome you all in our Charvik Academia. Myself Bhavin Chulera, I am teaching since last 7 of years. I am going to teach you about a digestive system. That is, we all know that is the greatest system in our body. In our body, there are many of systems that are interconnected with each other. So now today we are learn a master trick how to getting understand that our digestive system. Digestive system is essential for producing energy and absorb minerals that are very much useful for our body development and our regular activities. So how it will be convert to food, from the food to the energy and minerals. The first stage, or we can say first organ that participate in our digestive system is known as the mouth, where the teeth and tongue and salivary gland are helping organs to the mouth, which are starting a carbohydrate digestion in our mouth, and essential hormone is known as amylase. Afterwards, esophagus pipe. Our food particles are going to the stomach from the esophagus pipe, where in a stomach 2 to 3 hours taking for a shaking, and our solid food are converted to the semi-liquid stage. Afterwards, the food which are in a semi-liquid stage going to the small intestine, where the complete digestive system or digestive process occurs. And at last but not least, undigested part of food are going to large intestine, where the essential minerals and water will be reabsorbed, which are very useful for our body. And non-digested food part are excreted by the anus from our body. So like this, all other concept of science we will learn in our Charvik Academia. So I am inviting all of you students, welcome to Charvik Academia. Thank you so much.
Dear students, hope you all like the demo lecture on one of the most important concept of this subject. But don't be sad, this is not where we have finished. This was just a drop from the ocean of Charvik Academia. Explore this ocean with our team of experts and be the master of your subjects, right students? Let's have an insight into what Charvik Academia has to offer. Number one, quality education. Whether it's traditional or digital, by our highly experienced faculties is delivered very well. Number two, exclusive live doubt solving sessions is there also. Periodic test series for strong concept foundation. From 6 to 10th, we have also a foundation batch where you build up your strong foundation for 11 and 12, right? You might ask, what is the new offering from your side, right? So here is where our uniqueness comes into play. You will get the HD video recording of all the lectures, doubt solving session, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Listen students carefully, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Throughout your academic year, all the lectures, video recorded lectures available in your account on our sites, right? And second most important point is, I explain you. Student, as you know, the assessment is most important in education, for which we have an exclusive test conducting system with in-depth analysis. Whether your exam is online or pen paper based, check my words. Whether your exam is online or a pen paper based, we have unique in-depth analysis system for both this exam system. With this, students, we are offering free 7 days demo lecture whether you join us online or offline. So hurry up, limited batches are available. The early birds gets the worm, right student? So please join Charvik Academia as soon as possible for your better future and better education. Thank you.